Hey everyone, this is Jordan from Sleeklens.com, and in this video I'm going to demo a couple edits from the brand new Summer Breeze Lightroom Workflow collection from Sleeklens. Now this collection is all about getting fantastic colors and tones in your images involving summer, but you can definitely use them with almost any image that you have. So I'm going to display them on a couple of these summer images, and you can see what kind of effects that we're going to get out of these cool images. So we have this photo right here, really awesome photo starting out, and what I want to do is just really enhance some of the warmth in the image as well and bring out some of the light as well. So you can see over here on the left we have the Lightroom Workflow Summer Breeze expanded here, so you can see all of the presets we have. We have tons of stuff in here, a lot to choose from, but we're going to start off with an all-in-one. An all-in-one preset is basically like a one-click fix, being able to choose a really cool effect starting out, and then you can pretty much be done most of the time, but we can definitely enhance it further. So I'm going to click on the all-in-one light glow, and that's going to add a lot of warmth to the image, a lot of brightness to the image. We're going to tone that down just a little bit, but you can see the type of effect that it gives there. And now we're going to go down to the base section down here, and we're going to choose the number one base smart contrast off, and that's going to take a little bit of contrast out of the photos there, so you can see that we already have a little bit of natural contrast as well with the darkness of the mountains here, the light of the sky, and we're just kind of minimizing that a little bit. Now we're going to go down to the effects area. We're going to bypass the color corrections, go down to the effects area, and we're going to choose the number 3 effect, center light. And you can see that just adds a little pop of light in the center there, bringing out kind of mimicking that sun that's right in the center. Looks really kind of cool. And the last thing we're going to do is kind of add a neutral density filter to the top here, just to kind of bring out some of that sky. And we're going to go down here to neutral density top, and that's going to kind of darken everything just a little bit, and you can see the kind of effect that it gives. So it kind of creates a little bit more of a warmth, but also adds a little bit of a cooler tone in there as well. So look at the before and after here. You can see really great, makes the eye of the viewer of the image really pull into the fisherman right in the center there. Looks really kind of cool. So really awesome edit there, really easy. So now let's go to this other one here. This right here, we have a woman kind of just lounging outside, and what we want to do is enhance this one as well. So again, we're going to choose an all-in-one. We're going to go back up to the top here. We're going to choose the all-in-one cold shower right here, and you can see that really adds some of that nice cool warmth to the image, kind of more red, almost on the verge of a sepia tone, but it looks really kind of cool. So now let's go to the base section. You can see we have a lot of these basic corrections here. We're going to go to the number 1 amazing light, and that's going to add a little bit of color there as well. Keep that warmth, but actually pump up the greens as well. Really makes it look nice. The highlights are all really brightened in that one as well. But now we're going to reduce the highlights a little bit because they are a little bit too much, especially on the skin here, a little bit on the chair. So we're going to go down to the number 1 base and highlight reduction. There we go, kind of tones it down just a little bit. And now we're going to add a small vignette as well. So we're going to go down here to the effects area, go to the vignette medium. Let's try the medium. Perfect. It doesn't overpower it at all. It makes it look really cool. So really like that edit. It kind of cools down the image, makes it a little bit more of a naturally white balanced image. So we can see the before and after here. You can see this is almost just like a regular snapshot, but we enhance this one much more, and it looks really nice, really natural looking image. So if you want to learn more about this new Summer Breeze collection, make sure to click the link down in the description down below to take you to the product page, or you can go to sleeklens.com and look for the Lightroom collections there. Tons of great options, and you'll be able to find this one there as well. So thank you guys for joining me in this video. This has been Jordan from Sleeklens, and I'll see you in the next one.